Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that holds significance in the world of communication, computing, and systems design. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as asynchronous, asynchronous, sing, cra, nuz, asynchronous. It refers to events or processes that do not occur at the same time or are not coordinated, allowing for independent or non-simultaneous actions. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about asynchronous, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.